Hi, today I'm here with my iPad 10 generation and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So let's just first see our current wallpaper, and now just to change it we should first open the settings and then scroll down to wallpaper section. Here we can see choose a new wallpaper section, or just here we can select one from the default wallpapers, the dynamic ones also the default, and if you just take previously photos on your device camera or downloaded from the internet photos, you will find them here in all photos in this photo just stock. So let's use the default one first. Let's use this wallpaper, and now click here to set and select lock screen. Just let's wait a second, and after that we can see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. By the same way, you just have a chance to change and to select the photos from your device gallery. For example, this is okay. Let's take a picture right now. So and after that let's go back to the settings here, and we can see here this is our new wallpaper. Tap to set, and by the same way set it as a lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.